Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on charity. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is charity is selfless giving to those in need. Second line is it can be in the form of money, time, or resources. Third line is it is act of helping the poor, homeless, sick, and marginalized. Fourth line is it benefits those who are less fortunate. Fifth line is it promotes social responsibility and empathy. Sixth line is non-profit organizations and NGOs play a vital role. Seventh line is volunteering is also a form of charity. Eighth line is blood, organ, and resource donations save lives. Next line is it promotes diversity and inclusivity. Last line, that is line number 10, is it brings fulfillment and makes the world a better place.